Hello everybody, Albanidis Kostas here, and I would like to show you um, what amazing things you can do with Fluent Form and WordPress. You know, Fluent CRM and Fluent Form can give you a whole bunch of marketing stuff. You can do magic with this. I'm gonna show you um, to this short video how you can create. Uh, in fact, okay, I'm not gonna show you how you can create the form. I'm gonna show you how easily, after you have created the form, uh, how you can use it straight to the landing page as a landing page. In fact, we can go to the form. I'm going here to the settings of this form, and over here I'm gonna show you that it has from the side menu the landing page. You see, if you move to the landing page, it gives you the ability, and as you can see here, you can preview what you can do. I can add a logo, I can add a background here, and I can add another picture here, so that I have a landing page, or you can say a squeeze page or a splash page for your offer, or in fact as an opt-in page. Okay, here you can write your message. You can write what this offer is about. You can add the image of the offer here, and you can add a background over here. You see, over here is the background image, the logo that it goes over here, and you can add a feature image that it's gonna show in the top of your browser. And in fact, this image, feature image, it's gonna be shown even when you share to the social media. You know, you can have something else for the feature image, and something else for the form logo, and something else for the background image. You can drop inner shadow to make it with a shadow. See here, you can easily add the shadow you want. And okay, I'm gonna just add some shadow here, and I can add some shadow here. Okay, you see, it looks really nice. And I'm gonna show you here. You see, you can arrange the vertical position where this image is gonna be. You can arrange the horizontal position, because now we have it split like that. It doesn't have any meaning to do something like that. Here you can arrange the overall. You see the media brightness of the picture that you have here. It's in fact the overlay of the picture. And here you can change the picture and add your offer. Okay, let's say we want to advertise a program or a service. We just add the main picture here. Here you have something that's really amazing, and that shows that this plugin, it's really well done. It has everything you need, and you can arrange the form and the pictures. You see, you can change it easily. You can make it separate, here to be the image, and here to be the opt-in form, and you can make it the other way, or if you want, you can just not use any picture, and just use the opt-in form and the background. Okay. Here we have it boxed, or we can have it in the classic way. Let me show you. You see, that's the classic way. And over here, if you want to, you can just add a background, and you see that on that way you have uh, the opt-in page like that, with without a background behind. Okay. So using it to the classic way, it's something different that you can use in case you don't want to have a background for that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a look to the description and check out this amazing plugin. And if you really enjoyed it, purchase it too. I'm gonna create more videos about that. Thank you very much, and wish you the best. Ciao, ciao.